Voluntary exchange terms. We have consumer surplus, and that is the difference between what you are willing to pay and what you actually pay. And it's actually from the equilibrium price up to the demand curve. You'll see that area on the next slide. And then producer surplus is the difference between the price the seller received and how much they were willing to sell it for. So typically it's on the supply curve and increase up to the actual equilibrium price. So let's say, for an example, the equilibrium price is $10. Consumer surplus, in some places on the demand curve, there's somebody that was actually willing to pay 20. So their consumer surplus is 20 minus 10 gives you 10. The producer surplus, same thing, the equilibrium price is 10. They were willing to say accept 3. So the 10 minus 3, their producer surplus is 7. So it's the difference between the two. And I always look at it, it's like a triangle underneath the curves. And on the next slide, you'll be able to see it. But it's consumer surplus and producer surplus. And we look at efficiency as where we maximize the maximum consumer surplus and producer surplus altogether.